Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to update Microsoft Excel on your Windows 11 PC. Updating Excel is important because it fixes bugs, adds new features, and improves security. So let's start. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can open it from the Start menu or by clicking the Excel icon on your taskbar. Once Excel opens, look at the bottom left side and click on Account. If you don't see it, click on File in the top left corner and then select Account from menu. Under the Product Information section, you will see Office Updates. Click on the Update Options button. From a drop-down menu, choose Update Now. Excel will now check for the latest updates and start downloading them automatically. Just wait while the updates are being installed. Once the update finishes, Excel will show a message saying you're up to date. And that's it. You have successfully updated Microsoft Excel on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.